Let's learn how to play There's a Kind of Hush by Herman's Hermits, also the Carpenters. This is a fingerstyle arrangement, and I believe fingerstyle arrangements are the end game for us ukulele players. And I'm very pleased to announce that I can now offer interactive tabs. This is the best way to learn how to play these arrangements because you can loop the hard parts, slow it right down, and develop the muscle memory required to pull off some of these tricky moves. In this video, I'm going to perform the piece at 100 BPM, which is considerably slower than the original. The tabs will be on the screen, but if you want to really learn how to do this and practice and get it down, click this link here or down there, become my avid learner patron, and you'll have access to the interactive tabs. Now, if you just want to grab the song sheet and the tab, head on over to my Patreon page, grab it now. If you can't do any of that, you still want to help me to continue making these videos, you can leave me a small donation on the heart-shaped button below. You'd be doing me a great favor if you give this video a like, share it with your friends, leave me a comment below. This is my new Kala ukulele. I absolutely love it. As a Kala ambassador, I can offer you 10% off anything from the Kala brand website. Click the link up here or down below in the description. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me all the way to the end. YouTube loves that. Gold star for you. See you in the next one.